Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we got a great motorcycle for you. It's actually a Trike. It is a 2008 Honda Goldwing, has about 40,700 miles, and has been converted into a Trike with the Champion Trike kit. This is a beautiful bike. The base Goldwing was the Nav ABS model, and then they had it converted into a Trike. And you got to see it to believe it. If you're looking for a Goldwing Trike, you're not going to find a cleaner one out there. It has all the features of the Goldwing. It has reverse, the audio system, the onboard compressor, the heated seats, heated grips, all that stuff. In addition, and if you go to our website, you'll see the pictures of it. There's a tag-along pack, and if you see there's a hitch down there, kind of hard to see in the video, but there's a receiver, and then we have, let me show you, we have this chrome piece that inserts into it, and then there's a box. What they did is they converted the two saddlebags that used to be on here and created it's additional carrying package. You don't need to put it on there, but if you want, if you're going on a long ride and want basically the storage that used to be in the saddlebags plus some, you can put it in this pack. It's kind of hard to describe on video, but if you go to our website, contracostaps.com, you'll definitely be able to see the pictures of it. But this is an immaculate looking bike. The price tag on it is $19,999. To do a Trike conversion is about $15,000 on a Goldwing. And this Goldwing usually sells for, with this mileage and 08 Nav ABS, is probably an $8,000 to $9,000 Goldwing. So you're saving, we've discounted it by about $4,000 to $5,000 what it should be off of. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change on it, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can also provide financing and an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.